stall na imam ambaye ameomba kwa lugha ya Kiswahili, Muislamu. Wale wageni wote ambao wamekuja, Mheshimiwa CS Mzee Machogu ambaye nina heshima sana kwake, ndugu yangu, rafiki yangu Kimani Shugwa ambaye nimekaa bunge zaidi ya miaka 10 na tulifanya kazi naye, Mheshimiwa Mose, wale wageni wote waheshimu, asante kwa kufika hapa. Kwa gavana wangu wa kwanza James Ongwae, asante, nimefurahi kukuona. Gavana wangu wa sasa Mheshimiwa Simbarati, nina heshima kukukaribisha hapa. Na mimi ningependa kumkaribisha Rais Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Mheshimiwa Rais, nimefanya kazi nawe miaka mingi. Nadhani ukiangalia bunge sasa, mimi na wewe miaka ni same. How I wish I was president like you. Nimeona PS wako, maafisa wengi wa serikali wamekuja hapa, Raymond Omolo ambaye tulikuwa marafiki hapo kitambo, sasa madaraka amepanda. Nashukuru sana. Nimeona members wa family ya Mzee Nyachae wako hapa. Nimeona Charles Nyachae, nimeona Michael Nyachae, nimeona chairman ya Kisii Council of Elders. Nashukuru sana. Wale wote ambao wamekuja, Mzee Nyambati, Mzee Manuti, wale wabunge wa zamani, asante kwa kufika. Professor Kama, asante kwa miaka 10 kuachia principal wa Kisii University campus. Sam Nyamoya kutoka mpira, asante. Your Excellency, I'm going to speak 2 things. Number 1, to my brothers in Kisii and sisters who are in leadership positions, those who responsibility is given, much is expected. For the first time, the Kisii nation had a generational transitional change. For the last 60 years, Your Excellency, we have never changed leadership. This was the first time. Tafadhalini hawa vijana na kinadada wachanga ambao mmepata uongozi, jiheshimu, kuwa marafiki, muongoze community yetu ili tupate maendeleo na tuheshimiane, ndio tusukume county yetu mbele. Your Excellency, I'm not happy. There is too much violence in Kisii. There is too much noise in Kisii. You know, when people are making noise, they don't work. I want to plead you to intervene on our behalf. Talk to this team, because most of them are in your UDA. Some of them are with us in ODM. I have listened to what Japhet Ogamba has said. I have listened to what some of the leaders are saying. Mheshimiwa Simbarati, talk to your leaders. Guide your people. You are the leader now, whether we like it or not. So pick your ball, run with it, call the players you want, play. If you score, fine. If you lose the game, out of the game. Next time will be somebody else. My brother, we may disagree on principle, but I don't disagree with you personally. I respect you. You notice I never talk about you. I pray that God touches your heart so that these people who have been praying for us, I hope you listened to the prayers they made. Can we learn to forgive each other and learn to work with each other? Because we are children of the same mother. Mwanyagetinge bagusimba nyago itaramanyinga yekolete gesiomba simba togambere twanchire buna twanchire William atogambere mono nkige go changa lende ya umwishio kata nje na kwa edo bogambe. Your Excellency, I told Simbarati to come to State House and talk to you, and he can come with me. Second issue, abarai ba minto bagusi bono igo mugambi tobwato tenene se serikali yo Mheshimiwa William Ruto no mugako yo machogu motako ligania toikaranse tobwato mugako yo toboli simba toboli aba MCA togende state house ye president erato nyenyere eri tata turali eri gosebono nyoroki angonga na bere igo nyoroki nande barore. Your Excellency, you can see. My last point is, you know, I respect you, I'm with you. My job is to oversight you. Like now, you came 3 months ago, one road is done, tick. You came for a funeral, tick. Today you are in a church service, tick. I'll continue ticking. What you don't get, X. After 3 years, I'll say whether you are successful or not. I know that anytime you may need people like me to work with you, we are always open for that. Thank you, sir, and come again. God bless you all. Mbiamono. Your Excellency, I forgot to say, again, don't get into Akwana. Japheth, where is Japheth? George. Zaire, simama hapa. Hata huyu Simba ni student yangu. Naona Simba, lakini na ino manene ikaransa hiyo. That is a man I trained to become a politician. This is a man I've trained to become a politician. And this is a young man I used to borrow money to win. After I won, I used to lend him mine. So you see, we are a good team. Thank you so much. And you guys, like you said, please stop fighting each other. You are children of the same mother.
Mheshimiwa Rais, nikimalizia sasa, nataka nimkaribishe Mheshimiwa Silvana Sorsoro, mbunge kutoka South Mogirango, naye majority whip katika bunge